What do you know? I'm hearing another siren test. It's been the 5th time in a week that these guys test their sirens. Here at St. Mary's here in Platteville. Wonder where this siren is. Wonder what that was. I wonder why I keep hearing sirens here. Well, if that's the case, the nation better not be under attack. Dude just told me that Platteville has a volunteer fire department. This is a town of about 11,000 people. How's there a volunteer fire department? Well, I wonder if we're going to go back into alert mode with all of this stuff. Look at that, 50-cent pop. Man, this is such a nice place. Except to keep hearing tornado sirens every single day. Hopefully they don't test every day of the year. Huh. Seriously, I'm gonna hear another activation. Still trying to find one of these babies. Apparently, sirens shut off in the middle of stuff. Oh, Surf Pro is here. Well, this here is uptown in Platteville, which seems pretty nice. Yeah, the daily ministry or daily liturgy at the church that I was at begins soon. Well, the siren has to be somewhere around Mineral Street. And now, why is that? Oh, yes, it's a volunteer fire department, that siren that just rolled by earlier. Wait a minute, that is a fire call siren somehow. I think that might be what it was. Maybe that's just a fire call siren. Apparently, volunteer fire departments do that. Well, that's funny. Red and Deb's Bar and Grill. Man, that's a nice place. Oh, look at that, brothers. On a second. Huh. Charred boiled burgers. City Bar. Seriously, where do they put these? Where do they put these wheelings? Oh, they got another Jimmy John's up here. So this was cool. Here we're coming into Jenner Park, so I'm assuming this must be where they put siren. All right. Hopefully there's no activation while I'm out here. Oh, look at that. Established 1983. This is one of the newer parts of Platteville. All right. Here we are at Jenner Park. Still trying to look for some sirens around here. I heard them went off. Wow, look at that place. Huh. Wonder what this place is.